10 pins, 8 players, 4 teams, but only 1 trophy. This is the Numberblocks Bowling Championship. Each player gets 1 ball to knock down as many pins as they can. And who will add the points together for each team?
I'm Rekenrek. I help you count. My beads will show the right amount.
The team with the highest score will take home the trophy. Are you ready? Then let's bowl! First up, team 2 wide.
Now then, 4. Don't rush this. Oh, round thing! I knocked down 2 pins!
In one push, I count 2.
You've knocked down 2 pins. Good start. No ball for me. I've got this. When I roll dice, I never miss. 10 new pins. Come on, dice. 5 knocked down. Very nice.
Push 5.
The total score for team 2 wide is 5 and 2. 2 more than 5 is 7. Next to bowl, the Rainbow Rollers.
Whoops.
I scored 6. Oh, there's lucky.
That was lucky. Push 6. My turn, my turn. Bowling. Alley-up. 6 pins down. Ha, I knew I'd be good at this. Push 6.
The total for the Rainbow Rollers is 6 plus 6. That's all 10 red beads and 2 white. 10 and 2 is 12.
A new high score.
Do the Super Strikers have what it takes?
Octoblock, bowl! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, bowl! 9 pins, so close!
Push 9.
You scored 9! Amazing! And you still have 1 more ball to bowl.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 7 pins. Nice.
Push 7.
The total for the Super Strikers is 9 plus 7. That's all 10 red beads and 4 and 2 white beads. That's 6. 10 and 6 is 16.
Yet another high score.
Only 1 team left, the 10-pin Teddies.
Ooh.
He scored 7.
How did I do?
Push 7.
You've scored 7. The score to beat is 16. Rekenrek, please show us what 16 looks like.
Here's 16.
Now, if we take your score of 7 away from the top row,
Push 7.
we can see that you need 3 and 6, which is 9.
So we need to knock down 9 more pins to equal the high score of 16?
Or all 10 to win. No pressure.
Come on, come on. Oh, sorry. All 10 pins! The 7 from your first go plus 10, that makes 17 points! You've won!
Team 10-pin Teddies are the winners.